Hello, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. I want to welcome everybody to the daily FX walkthrough. What I'm going to do tonight, as always, is walk through the latest technical report at dailyfx.com and identify support and resistance levels that we can base trades on. The presentation is located directly beneath this video. Enjoy the show.
So here are the four pairs that I'll be discussing this evening. The Kiwi, Aussie, and Eurodollar will all be on hourly charts, and the dollar yen will be a daily chart. So let's go ahead and pull up the charts. The first chart is the Kiwi dollar. As I mentioned in the last report, this channel line that has formed in the pair, I was mentioning how we might enter at the lower support line and look to exit at the upper resistance line. So hopefully you are able to get in on that trade. Right now I would have no position. What I might look for here, as I mentioned in the last report as well, you can argue that this channel line is corrective in nature, and what I often see at this point, we might see a little bit of spillover on the top. That would be a slight penetration of the upper resistance line, followed by a breakout to the downside. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but in my experience, that often is the case with these patterns. So certainly keep an eye on that. But if you are setting up trades, me personally, I would wait for a close beneath the lower support line. The next chart is the Aussie dollar. As I was viewing the daily charts on the past, over the past several reports, what we might do now, as it appears prices are breaking out above, that's about 71.40. So right now the time is about 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would keep an eye on this, look for a close above that 71.40 area, and then we can treat this as a breakout. Personally, I might look to get long near that 71.40 area, assuming we do have that close above 71.40. But again, this is a short-term trade idea. The market can easily ignore our analysis, so we have to use protective stops and fully expect to get stopped out. The Eurodollar would be the next chart. And this is a similar pattern to the Kiwi dollar. Here we have a resistance line that I've formed. Again, this is the hourly chart. Personally, I might look for another move up to this resistance line, followed by a move lower to complete the correction. Again, if I'm looking at this chart right now, I can argue that this is an A wave down, this is a B wave, and this could be a 1-2-1-2 of a C wave, possibly moving forward. So that's something to think about as well. The last chart is the dollar yen. As I mentioned, this is a daily chart, and we can see that this pair has finally broken above a longer term resistance line. So moving forward, what I would say with this pair, this will be a slightly longer term trade in focus, but over the next 24 to 48 hours, I would look for a move back down to the former resistance line, which might now act as support. Personally, I might look to enter just above that, the former resistance line, which will now hopefully act as support. I would look to enter just above the line with a stop, maybe 50 pips or so beneath the line. Again, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. Thanks for listening.